the sun rises, I am reminded that I have a new day full of opportunities and experiences. Will I experience the newness of it? Will I believe in me and have the confidence and give myself another chance to rise, just as the sun does each day? Good morning, Gems family. I just wanted to come on for a little bit. It's the last day of Vlogtober, so I thought it would be appropriate to show you a Florida view. And I think I wanted to do something a little bit different today and talk about 5 of my favorite things about fall. For me, fall always comes with the memories of having a warm hot chocolate, or for those of you who love your coffee with your favorite flavoring. But also I love just the cooler weather, putting on your favorite sweater or jacket and scarf, going for a long walk without sweating to death. That's a fall favorite for me. But for those who live up north where it's cold, seeing the changing leaves of yellow and golds and reds, I know that that's very beautiful. To just hang out with your loved ones. There's nothing like spending time with the people that you love and enjoying time together and peace and making memories, taking pictures. That's always a great thing. And it's just going on vacation. I don't know, those of you who like snow and stuff, to be in a place where it's snowing and to have a fireplace going, that is a fall favorite for me. I don't like to stay in it. I just like to be in it for a little bit and then to leave and go home. So those are my fall favorites. Let me know in the comment section, what are your fall favorites? I would love to hear from you. And thank you guys so much for tuning in to this whole month of vlogs and videos and different things. It was a little bit of a struggle. I got through it, and I appreciate everybody's support. See you guys on the next one. Leave me a comment below. This is Life with Marlene, your Florida vlogger. Bye, guys. As the day begins and I feel the wind on my face, there is a gentle whisper in the air, and it says, "You are beautiful, just like me."